Hello student, today we are discuss about the remaining part of the trigonometry. Today's point is fundamental identities. Which are the fundamental identities? First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to value 1. Okay, this will next identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. And third one is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cos square theta. So first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Similarly, second identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and third one 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay. So the first identity convert the two form. Then cos square theta equals to cos square theta equal to 1 minus this sin square theta convert equal to sin this side, so 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta equals to value get square here square root of 1 minus sin square theta, or so on. Similarly, sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos sin theta equals to value is square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, these are the forms. Okay, these are the first identity. Next identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So convert this side sec square theta, and 1 plus tan square convert this side minus sin. So the form is 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Similarly, the next cot square convert this side 1 equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, these are the forms and these are the conversion. Then the form is okay. First identity, second identity, and third identity. Okay, the next point is domain and range of trigonometric function. The first point is y equal to sin theta, where theta belongs to r. Theta means degree measured in radians. Okay, theta belongs to r, y belongs to closed interval. Square box mention here, y belongs to read as closed interval minus 1 1. Closed interval means minus 1 आणि 1 पॉइंट दोन्ही कव्हर होणार आहे. The domain of sin function, domain जे आहे of sin function is r, and the range is किती आहे -1 to 1, -1 to 1. So see here, these are the x axis and these are the y axis. Origin is here. So theta belongs to r means the domain of sin function is r, and range is -1 to 1, म्हणजे in between range जे आहे ती -1 to 1, and domain काय आहे sin function is काय r means याप्रमाणे जाणार आहे. रेंज काय असेल ती आपली, range is -1 to 1 and domain is okay all is here O is the origin. So the value of function y equal to sin theta, y equal to means sin 0 degree equals to value is 0 degree, value is 0. Similarly, sin pi by 2 equals to value. Here using trigonometric table, the values of sin 0 is sin pi by 2, sin 80, sin 3 pi by 2, sin 2 pi. Okay, sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 here 1. Next sin pi equals to value 0, sin 3 pi by 2 value is -1, and sin 2 pi equals to value is 0. Okay, so these y equal to sin theta, this graph range -1 to 1 start here, sin 0 equal to 0, sin pi by 2 equals to value, sin pi by 2 equals to value 1, sin pi equals to value 0, sin 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 -1, sin 2 pi complete, the value is 1. This way graph rotate in between range -1 to 1. Okay, this side and this side minus pi by 2 sin minus pi by 2. So graph is here, sin minus pi by 2 -1, minus pi, the value is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 value is +1, and sin 2 pi then again here 0. These are the curve rotate here. Okay, this way. Similarly, the next point, y is equal to cos theta. Okay, the second point is y equal to cos theta, where theta belongs to r, y belongs to range m -1 1 in closed interval. The domain of cosine function is r and range is -1 1. Okay, similarly draw the graph, the y equal to sin theta, only change here. So see here, the function is cos 0 degree equals to value is 1. Okay, cos 0 degree value is 1, cos pi by 2 equals to value 0, cos pi equals to value -1, cos 3 pi by 2 equals to value again here 0, and cos 2 pi equals to value is 1. Okay, so these all value, draw this diagram. Cos 0 degree equals to value is 1, so the point is here. Okay, cos pi by 2 0, this way curve, cos pi equals to -1. Okay, cos 3 pi by 2 again 0, and cos 2 pi equals to value is 1. Okay, so these are the graph. Similar way, this graph, draw this negative side. So sin minus pi by 2 here 0, sin minus pi here, next step is -1, so the next 3 by 2 this way, and sin 2 pi. Okay, these are the graph of the which function y equal to cos theta. The range is -1 to 1 and domain of the cosine function is total r. Okay, so these are the graph of the second point, y equal to cos theta. Okay, the next point is y equal to tan theta. Y equal to tan theta. Tan theta does not exist for theta equals to value plus or minus pi by 2, plus or minus 3 pi by 2, plus or minus 5 pi by 2. Okay, in general tan theta does not exist if theta equals to value 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to I means integers. Okay, so in this equation y equal to tan theta, tan 0 degree equals to value 0, tan pi by 2 equals to value infinity, tan minus pi by 2 value also, tan minus pi by 2 equals to minus infinity, again tan pi equals to value, tan pi equal to 0. Similar way, tan 3 pi by 2 equals to value, okay, tan 0 degree equal to 0, tan pi by 2 equal to infinity, tan minus pi by 2 equals to minus infinity. Okay, these three value, put this graph, these are the x-axis, y-axis here, okay, origin here, So tan 0 degree equal to 0 means here, and tan pi by 2 equals to infinity. So this pi by 2 infinity, so curve this side, okay, goes to this way, and tan minus pi by 2 minus infinity means, okay, okay, this way. These are the graphs of the equation y equal to tan theta, tan 0 degree equal to 0, tan pi by 2 plus infinity, tan minus pi by 2 minus infinity. Okay, this way these graph tan y equal to tan theta. Okay, the next point is next 4 number point, y equal to sec theta. Sec theta does not exist for theta equals to value plus or minus pi by 2 plus or minus 3 pi by 2 plus or minus 5 pi by 2. Okay, in general sec theta does not exist if theta equals to value 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to I. The domain of sec theta is R except theta equals to value 2n plus 1 pi by 2 and range is R minus 1. Okay, so in this equation range is R minus 1 means y equal to cos theta. This dotted line graph, see here y equal to cos theta, so here graph y equal to sec theta, okay, reciprocal of cos theta. So here sec 0 degree equals to value, sec 0 degree equals to value 1. Similarly sec pi by 2 equals to value infinity, sec minus pi by 2 equals to value infinity. Okay, in this equation the range is r minus 1 to 1 म्हणजे जो ग्राफ असणार आहे सेक संदर्भातला तो हा -1 to 1 चा रिजन सोडून एकतर अबव असणार आहे किंवा बिलो साठी असणार आहे. ओके, सी हियर, okay, sec 0 degree equals to 1 is here, sec pi by 2 infinity means the graph this side, okay, and sec minus pi by 2 plus infinity means so graph not this side because range is r minus 1, so graph is, okay, this side convert. These are the points. Okay, these are the graph equal to y equal to sec theta. Similarly, the next region is here. Okay, next region is here. Sec pi equals to value. Sec pi equals to -1. Okay, the point is here. Sec pi by 2. So the curve this side. Okay, and 3 pi by 2 plus infinity this side. These are the points, these are the curve of the y equal to sec theta. Similarly here, okay, sec minus pi is here, -1 is point, so minus pi by 2, so graph is here, this will rotate and this will rotate. Okay, these are the graphs, so graph is y equal to sec theta. Okay, so all of you complete these 4 graphs with the diagram. Okay, thank you.